Hola Impola, meaning slowly, slowly. That was the name chosen by Emirates Team New Zealand skipper Nathan Elteridge and his family for this 2024 Fontaine Peugeot Astrea 42. After a hard-fought campaign in Barcelona with the last America's Cup, they commissioned her up in Europe in anticipation of sailing her all the way back down here to New Zealand as a family. She's now here with us in Gulf Harbour Marina. She's open for inspection. I'm Bryn Jensen with the Yacht Sales Co. I'd love to show you through. Come with me.
Hi, I'm Nathan Elteridge and this is Impola. It's a Fontaine Peugeot 42 footer and we've just arrived back in New Zealand after having the most amazing journey on this boat with the family for the last year. We got the boat from the factory in La Rochelle in June in 2024, and following the America's Cup in Barcelona we left Europe and we spent the last year sailing around the world with the family. We got two young boys, 4 and 6 years old, and we absolutely loved our time. It's pretty sad that we're letting go of the boat, but not a whole lot of time over the next couple of years to use it. So it's on the market now and looking for a new owner, and we'll be looking to get a boat really similar to this moving forward, because we just think that it was the most amazing family experience and we can't wait to do it again.
So as you can see, she's in immaculate condition. She's been proven, she's been cared for by a professional. If you'd like to learn more, please jump onto the Yacht Sales Co website, reach out. I'd love to show you through, whether it's in person or remotely.